Welcome to Research Rocks. This is a fun video before and after. Just couple of months ago I'm purchasing villa Copenhagen, Denmark. Inside villa is amazing but outside little messy, so I'm clean everything so you can see here first of all before and then we can see after that video. So initially the backyard parking space is not little, so much messy, and I don't like such kind of places for the especially on my house. So I won't change entire first parking space and cut the grass and rebuild the grass as well for my second backyard. So in this video we can see before and after all information, so let's check it out. This is an empty space. I need to put it here the grass, and see here my Tesla car and ground is so much messy, so I want clean this ground. And here starting of my backyard is too much messy, so look at this. Initially is a totally mess and too much gadget is available here, so currently I remove everything. So previous owner are putting this empty space in a tiles, so I remove all tiles and use for the different location, but I remove everything and put it here very nicely some other vegetable. So still currently you are seeing this video, I'm clean everything here properly. Is a totally mess, lot of garbage plant are coming here, so I clean everything and now is showing little better. Now I am entering on my second backyard. If you see here in this grass, so this grass is a totally mess, not looking nicely currently, but I remove everything, re-clean, and I put it here, renew it grass. And look at this after making, you can see this video afterwards. And this is an empty space. I need to add here some of the vegetables, so you can see the after video. Now we can start after video from starting. This is outside YouTube room view. I need to clean everything. If I sit on inside YouTube room and see outside, so I need to clean and polish. Now we can see after video from starting. Look at this. This is the starting point. Initially I already explained everything. Initially is a lot of mess, and now look at this, everything I put it very nicely. Even this is my mailbox. I put it the stickers, how to order the stickers I already make a video. I put it this new types of gattu, and I renovate this lawn. I put it here new grass seeds, and this grass look like this. Everything now is very nicely. Look at this. I change entire tiles here as well. Now this outside the look of my villa. I renovate this grass also, but this grass is not coming nicely compared to this grass. This grass is coming very nicely, but let's see. So here I put it the tiles, the new solid stone. So same Tesla car is park here, and look at this, the ground is very nice, clean perfectly. Look at this space. Still that much portion I am not renovate because of I tired entire renovation. So next year I am renovate this. Same portions are happening entire parking space of mine. So yeah, next year I will renovate this one. And look at this. Now my here from start my backyard, and look at this. Now I clean everything here from here. Even I change or I put it here in the new basement, new clean and cement and reti. So this one is a fantastic. Now everything is clean, and now I am happy. So I can put it here some of the chair and sit and enjoy a cup of tea. Initially here some tiles related space previous owner are using, but now I remove everything and use this space for the vegetables. So this is a methi, Indian name. So I put it here. I growing here second time. This one first time I use And now look at this. This look like fantastic. Next year I remove this entire grass and put it new grass seeds. Look at this. This is a coriander, again methi. Now my backyard is looking nice. So I am very happy now after renovating this backyard. This is a ginger, and this is the next backyard. Initially here some places grass is not available, so I remove everything and put it new grass starting from zero. Even I remove this gattu as well here and stones, because of I want some distance for the specific wall to this portion. So I just put it this one in one line and then put it here solid stone, so we can see from here. Now look like fantastic. So yeah, now I am happy. And initially I cut those flowers first of all, and now the growing fantastic. So yeah, now I am happy. This is a second backyard, and here the apple tree, a lot of apples is here, so I can sell as well in supermarket. But yeah, so I put it here in the vegetable. Some of the, this is a tomato and the chili. So look at this, a lot of chilies coming here, so big chili. And here is a big tomato tree and lot of tomato is coming here. So yeah, now I am happy really. Look at this, same, this is my YouTube room, and now the garden is fantastic here. So and I use this space also to plant one tomato tree. So tomato is coming, a lot of tomato. And this is an apple tree, it's a fantastic, lot of apples coming here. And I'm not calling anyone, I am doing this entire process myself and help of my family. So yeah, this is a after video, hope you enjoy.